A day in my life as a Nigerian student. It's always stressful, but here's a vlog about it. Hi guys, good morning. It's Naomi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome, hi, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified of any video I post. So this is me this morning, and I'm about to prepare to go to school because I have lectures by 9 a.m. and this is when I'm just waking up. So I'm just going to do a clip for you to see how my day in school is going to be like. Stay with me.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me a million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading, it's time.
So this is me packing the stuffs I need into my bag: my lip gloss, my AirPods, my power bank, my ID card. They never let you into the school with that, and my ATM in case I need cash, my card, of course, my pen. Hi guys, so I'm all dressed up for school and I'm really late because I'm supposed to call my friend when I'm leaving the house. So I'm going to the road now to pick bike and I'll head to school. See you guys there.
Time we left the ground, let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high, keeps me.
So this is me in school and that's my friend I said earlier was waiting for me. Are you waiting for me?
high.
are done with lecture. We are going back home. Now he's talking to man.